Hey everyone, my name's Adam. I'm the owner of Intique Motors, and today I want to go over this 1970 Triumph TR6C trophy. Right now we're offering this bike on Bring a Trailer with no reserves. Highest bidder owns it, along with 3 other great motorcycles and a really impressive ATC enclosed aluminum trailer that's specifically built for motorcycles. So if you want to buy a cool bike, need a trailer, we've got a trailer available as well. So get over to BAT, get your bids in. If you have any questions, let us know in the commentary or hit the contact seller button. If you need a shipping quote, please do the same. We'll get you a shipping quote. So with that, let's check this cool bike out. So this is a 1970 model, beautifully restored. It's not a true to form factory correct restoration. The tank has got the 1967 color scheme for the TR6C, and I believe it is missing it's like a cage system that went over this to protect the rider and passenger's legs from the pipe. But as you see, really well done execution of the quality. Chrome's in fantastic shape. Paint is great. The seat's redone and looks awesome. All the stainless is in great shape. It's a really neat piece. And this has got the 650cc twin, and I love these because they have the single carb. I've dealt with dual carb British bikes in the past. They're a little bit more fussy, but the single carb bikes are awesome. So let's give it a cold start, and then we'll show you guys the pipes are nice and cold. We'll go on this side of the camera, and then we'll take it outside and go for a little ride. Nice and cool. Okay. Turn the fuel on. Prime the angle carburetor. Get juice flowing out of it. Power on. Set up the choke. One cold start, runs and drives great. Let it warm up a bit and you can play with your choke. And then we'll take it outside and show you guys how it runs. All right, now we got the bike back outside. We'll light it back up and we'll go down the street and back a couple times, show you guys how it runs. We'll be offering this on BAT, like I said, no reserve. So if you have any questions, as I mentioned, feel free to hit the contact seller button, need a shipping quote, let us know. Hope this has been a very informative video for you, and if you like what you see, please like our channel. Check out some more cool stuff we have coming.